I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 3008. This car comes with a really useful specification. You've got a CD radio along with air conditioning. You've also got all around electric windows and cruise control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as full service history, but if an MOT or service was due within 6 months, we will ensure that was also included. If you'd like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you, have a good day.